For the following areas in New York: Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northeast Suffolk and Southeast Suffolk, and the following areas in Connecticut: Southern New Haven, Southern Middlesex and Southern New London. Wind advisory in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon to 5 p.m. Sunday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon to 5 p.m. Sunday. Location: Suffolk County, New York and coastal New Haven, Middlesex and New London counties in Connecticut. Hazards: strong winds. Winds, north 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Timing: this afternoon through the day Sunday. Impacts: some tree limbs and branches might fall onto power lines, causing scattered power outages. Strong winds will make driving difficult on elevated roads and bridges. A wind advisory is issued when sustained winds of 31 to 39 miles per hour, or gusts of 46 to 57 miles per hour, are expected or occurring. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.
You are listening to NOAA's Hazards Radio, station KWO35 in New York City. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KWO35 broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55 MHz.
For the following areas in New Jersey: Middlesex, Western Monmouth and Eastern Monmouth. Coastal flood advisory in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 7 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a coastal flood advisory, which is in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 7 p.m. this evening. Location: coastal sections of Delaware and New Jersey, including the oceanfront and inlet areas. Coastal flooding, minor tidal flooding expected. Timing: around the time of high tide this afternoon. Impacts: expect roadways most prone to minor tidal flooding to flood. Any rain that falls at the time of high tide will add to the flooding problem. A coastal flood advisory indicates that minor tidal flooding is anticipated. Minor tidal flooding often results in some road closures. Usually, the most vulnerable roadways will flood. Do not leave your vehicle at a location that is prone to tidal flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters. The water may be deeper than you think it is. You will be putting yourself in danger, and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. For a list of the impact of different tide heights in your county, please go to www.erh.noaa.gov/price/tides.htm, all in lowercase. For the following areas in New York: Northwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Northeast Suffolk and Southeast Suffolk. Locations: the North Shore of Long Island and the South Fork of Suffolk County. Tidal departures: around 2 feet. Timing: around the time of high tide late this afternoon into early evening. Impacts: a few locations may touch minor coastal flooding thresholds around the time of high tide, particularly along the North Shore of Long Island and the north-facing shores of the South Fork of Suffolk County. Here is the latest weather map discussion.